What are we doing?
We're putting the angel on top of the Christmas tree.
You're going to be Daddy's helper?
Yes.
Okay. Be very careful, okay?
Okay.
Okay, go Daddy. Here's our beautiful tree. Do you need me to hold the ladder?
Nope. The angel.
It's a very tall tree in our new house this year.
Daddy.
Yeah?
I'm too scared.
Daddy's going to hold you. You'll be okay.
Okay, here's the angel. Now, gonna lift, see how she's hollow under there?
Yeah.
Gonna lift it and put it up on the tree. Okay? Okay.
Yay!
Alright!
You did it.
Did it.
But look at
I'll turn her
It's
around.
okay. Daddy will fix it.
Oh.
Good job.
There you go. Let me go turn her around.
All right, Daddy's going to fix her.
There. Good.
Good job.
How's she look?
Good.
Good.
Merry Christmas. What are you guys doing?
There. Mom, you make the hook come off.
Louie, what do you think of the tree? Louie, where's the tree?
Dude.
Tree? Where is it?
Dude.
Say, ooh.
Ooh.
Oh, it's beautiful. Say, ooh.
Ooh.
Cece, where's the tree? Where's your favorite ornament? Do you have one?
White one.
You like the white one?
Yeah.
Okay. Is it wait till tonight when you see all the lights at night. No touch, just look.
No touch. Okay, I want to look it now.
No.
I want to see you.
We're still watching Louie get to see the tree. He slept through the whole thing. Hi, Louie.
When can we watch? When can I watch it?
Later.
Ooh. No, I want to watch it. I want to watch it after. Can I watch it now?
What's Louie doing, Felicia?
Touching the tree.